3, 2, 1.
A pollinating entity is one that moves pollen from flower to flower and can be done by The answer is C, six-legged entity. What is a tax on income, sales, or property levied by local or national governments? The answer is D, property tax. The Arctic can be considered what? The answer is A, desolate. Which of these letters is the correct spelling and whole name of the group that made famous the song Standing Ovation? The answer is B, GQ. Living species of chordates are classified into three major subphyla, Vertebrata, Urochordata, and what? The answer is C, Cephalochordata. Which skill is a scientist using when sorting rocks into two groups based on physical appearance? The answer is B, classifying. Which gas forms when sodium reacts with water? The answer is B, hydrogen sulfide. What is the base form of ethanol? The answer is C, methanol. Where are the viral enzyme and genome packaged inside? The answer is B, viral capsid. Which planet has the longest day and shortest year? The answer is A, Venus. On the TV show Seinfeld, Kramer lives in apartment 5B, but he actually sublets it from a couple from another sitcom. Which sitcom? The answer is B, Mad About You. The eardrum is part of what part of the ear? The answer is D, outer. What is the first name of Mad-Eye Moody in the Harry Potter series? The answer is C, Alastor. What prepares the body for fight or flight during emergencies? The answer is D, sympathetic division. What was the first privately financed craft to go into outer space? The answer is D, Spaceship One. In the X-Men's first trip to the field during Season 1, Beast is left behind together with what other member of the X-Men team? The answer is A, Morph. Cell transport refers to the movement of substances across what structure? The answer is D, cell membrane. Which plant grows tallest on Earth? The answer is B, redwood tree. What is the study of personality development and behavior called? The answer is B, developmental psychology. What holds the pasta while it's being cooked? The answer is C. Boiler. Which trigonometric function gives the ratio of the length of the side of a right triangle opposite an angle to the hypotenuse? The answer is A. Sine. Who won the most Olympic gold medals in swimming? The answer is A. Michael Phelps. Which instrument is played with a bow? The answer is B. Violin. What is used to report the results of scientific measurements? The answer is D. C. Units. The Rhine flows through which country, not including its source? The answer is D. Germany. Which list contains only things that are part of our solar system? The answer is A. Planets, moons, comets. What is the birth name of singer and model Rihanna? The answer is D. Robin. Which fruit can be found on a fig tree? The answer is D. Fig. What organization won the Nobel Peace Prize in 1999 for its medical care in acute crises and raising international awareness of potential humanitarian disasters? The answer is A. Doctors Without Borders. What is the name of the capital and largest city of the U.S. state of Mississippi? The answer is C. Jackson. Which musical instrument is used to play the rhythm, harmonies, and melodies in salsa music? The answer is A. Drums. What ocean is located between Asia and North America? The answer is D. Pacific. In which book does Meg March appear? The answer is D. Little Women. Who is the author of 100 Years of Solitude? The answer is B. Isaac Asimov. In a scene from the movie Pretty Woman, Julia Roberts' character is taking a bath and listening to her Walkman. What song is she singing? The answer is C. Kiss by Prince. Who is the Roman god associated with poetry and music? The answer is B. Apollo. Which hormone is responsible for growth in humans? The answer is C. Growth hormone. What term describes a gene or sequence on a chromosome that co-segregates, shows genetic linkage with a specific trait? The answer is B. Genetic marker. Which Star Wars character said, "I find your lack of faith disturbing"? The answer is B. Yoda. What has a skin as soft as velvet, but can strike loud notes? The answer is B. Marimba. There are 4 stages to the life cycle of a butterfly: adult, pupa, egg, and caterpillar. Which of these occurs first? The answer is A. Egg. What is the only animal to have horns, but not antlers? The answer is B. Rhinoceros. What was the name of Jack Gallow's daughter who worked for Blush magazine on the hit television show Just Shoot Me? The answer is A. Maya. What is the generation of electricity using photovoltaic cells to split water molecules called? The answer is C. Photoelectrolysis. What is the coldest place on Earth located at a mountain? The answer is B. Oymyakon. What organism has the most neurons in its nervous system? The answer is B. Octopus. I'm the god of the sea, earthquakes, storms, and volcanoes. Who am I? The answer is B. Dionysus. In which year was the FIFA World Cup first held? The answer is A. 1930. Although they belong to the same family, an eagle and a pelican are different. What is one difference between them? The answer is D. The method of catching food. Which fruit is often used to make marmalade?